Welcome to Insight e-learning course. This is the Microsoft Word 2016. I am Fiaz Abbas and I'll be your Microsoft course teacher. In this video, I'm going to explain you everything about Microsoft Word, what the Microsoft Word is. First of all, let me explain you the basic content that has been designed to help students to organize their workflow from the beginning to the end. You can see this course consists of 30 lectures, and each lecture has a check mark. We will click on this little square in order to glorify our achievement. Now, I'm not just going to click on it. Let me show you. We will click on it and it will be highlighted like this. So this would help students to organize their workflow as we will continue from the beginning to the end. And within 30 days, I promise you, you will be the expert of Microsoft Word 2016, updated version of 2022. Now, first of all, I would like you to join me by downloading practice files. As you can see over here, these are the practice file. These files would help you in your practices, so I would like you to download it first. So when I installed Microsoft Word 2016, it just appeared here, right? But if you are unlucky to see it here, you can go to the start menu. Just go to the start menu and type word, right? On the top of the list, you will see Microsoft Word 2016. Just right click on it and a pop-up menu would appear. On the pop-up menu, just click on the pin to the taskbar. When you click on it, it immediately appears on the taskbar, as you can see. There you go. Now let me explain you more broadly this course. In the next lectures, we will continue to cover all the basic principles and skills that are conditional for a good writer, from editing to proofreading text to the types of printing, types of sharing, sending, all the properties and basic things in the Microsoft Word. While we are covering introduction, in the upcoming lectures, we will continue to discover all the properties. Now, second thing I would like to explain you is that the basic principle in Microsoft Word 2016 using offline is same as whether you are using it online. The basic principles would remain same, so you don't need to worry about. When you use Microsoft Word 2016 online, it actually helps you in sharing the document more easily rather than if you're using it offline. I would suggest you to download it if you are living in a country where internet services are very costly. But if you are living in a nation where internet services are more available and accessible, you can use it online. Now come back. As we have covered our introduction class, I'm going to tick that button right here in order to highlight our accomplishment. I hope you have enjoyed your first class. Now I would like you to pause the video and practice on your own. Never forget to attend the second lecture, which is going to be a pretty awesome. As you can see, it's about ribbon and user interface. See you until the next video.